local experiment.
Tell everybody, I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. Don't move. I'll be right back.
Wendy, you need to measure that. You're gonna use the whole bottle.
Actually, Mom, the new Purex Power Shot measures it for me.
The new Purex Power Shot automatically dispenses the right amount of the super concentrated detergent with more stain-fighting power in every drop. Works every time. Purex Power Shot. Right clean, smart value.
It was really nice to find somebody that was my age, that wasn't looking for somebody that was 35 years old.
You wanted to be able to walk through the nuances that only someone in your generation is going to relate to.
The first I Love You definitely came from him, and it was pretty quick.
I kind of knew right away. This was who I wanted. She's a cougar.
I am. You never in a million years did I think I'd find somebody younger than me.
OurTime.com, the largest dating site for singles over 50. Start today for free.
Wolves, intense, relentless, the tireless hunters of the wild, and the wild ancestors of your dog. Wolves and dogs share many traits, like a primitive desire for meat. So in the spirit of the wild comes Blue Wilderness, a meat-rich, grain-free food that's made with more of the chicken, duck, or salmon they love. Feed your dog's wolf spirit with Blue Wilderness, because he's wild inside.
Good luck, LaShawn and Nicole and Fast Buddy. Woo! Okay, Nicole. LaShawn is on stage. She can't see or hear any of your answers. I'm going to ask you 5 questions in 20 seconds. Try to give me the most popular answer. If you can't think of something, just say pass. If we have enough time, we'll get back to it. And then if you and LaShawn put it together, come up with 200 points and look right there. Tell everybody what you win.
$20,000!
You ready? 20 seconds on the clock, please. Clock will start after I read the first question. We asked 100 men, if Brad Pitt is a 10, what are you?
Nah.
Give me a word or phrase beginning with the word chicken.
Chicken head.
Name an occupation in a prison.
Water.
Name something a night watchman might do to pass the time.
Play a video game.
Name an animal that's considered to be highly intelligent.
A chimpanzee.
Let's see how we do. Ask 100 men. If Brad Pitt is a 10, what are you? You said 9. That's how I feel. Survey said. I said, give me a word or phrase beginning with the word chicken. You said chicken head. Ooh, that is such a good answer. Ooh, they don't know that one. Survey said. Then I said, name an occupation in a prison. You said the warden. Survey said. I said, name something a night watchman might do to pass the time. You said, play video games. Survey said. Then I said, name